Hey YouTube, welcome back to Welding with Grandad. I'm going to try and show you what gas flows I'm going to use for this double pulse steel MIG I'm doing with the Andeli 270p. So here goes. I got about 10 litres at the nozzle. So I hope that's of use. See you in a bit. These are the settings I'm going to use on this double pulse lap joints, 2mm thick steel, plus 10 inductance, 0.8 wire. They're the balance I've got on the waveform, 1 Hertz. All of these things, when you alter them, does make a difference. So let's see how it goes. That's a double pulse MIG I've just done with the Andeli. There's some particles there. It's not exactly spatter, but I don't know, it just falls out the arc. 47 amps, 20.4 volts, 10 plus 10 inductance, and there's the others to compare it to. I'd like to spend more time with it and get that bead smaller, similar to what that one is. I'm still impressed with that, bar for the spatter off the cord wire.